everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to be making french fries that are Daniel Fast friendly, and I'll be going over step by step on what you have to do. We are going to start off by cutting them. I'm going to cut them like this, but you could do them any way you like, whether they're wedges or round circles. Once I have them cut, I put it in parchment paper, spray it in olive oil, and I will put them in my air fryer on the highest setting and check it every 10 minutes. Once 10 minutes pass, I open it, check them, move them around, and I close it back up and let it cook for another 10 minutes. After another 10 minutes, I do the same thing, move them around. As you can see, they're starting to get more toasty. I like mine a little bit more toasty, so I'm going to throw them back in for another 10 minutes. If you want, you can go ahead and spray a little bit more olive oil. Once they are toasted to my liking, you can turn off the air fryer, take them out, and they are ready to eat and enjoy. While it's still hot, I season it with the red salt that I made myself, and I'll be posting a video of the same recipe so that you guys can follow it, so that you guys can have some flavor in your food as well. And there you have it. You have french fries. You can either eat them by themselves or eat them like here with some lentils and some guacamole. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.